Hi, in this video I will talk about Jonah and Jonah Surah and the detail mentioned in the Surah. So so this is a version mentioned in the Quran. So also was Jonah among those sent when he ran away to the ship. He cast lots and he was condemned. Then the whale did swallow him. So he did something bad and God punished him. And he repented. He had done acts worthy of blame, and we don't know much detail about it. Had it not been that he glorified Allah, God, he would certainly have remained inside the fish until the day of resurrection. But we cast him forth on the naked shore in the state of sickness. So first of all, first the information. So in the previous video, I mentioned the case of being swallowed by whale. So you can check it, and it is possible that you can survive. So this is another detail. He will certainly have remained inside the fish until the day of resurrection. It's a sentence that a normal, regular people wouldn't create. So let's see if. So what if? So if you see the beaches and sea, and there are a lot of fossils. So for example, and then Prophet Muhammad is actually not living in the ocean side. And so you see that the whale bones fossilized. Sometimes when whales and other marine animals died in the shallow oceans and their skeletons were buried by sediment on the seafloor, over time the sediment hardened into layers of rock, and the bones sandwiched between these layers slowly petrified, becoming fossils. So that he would certainly have remained, his bones would also remain in the fish until the day of resurrection. But we cast him forth on the naked shore in a state of sickness. So another thing. So he was in the and then there are some problems associated with it, and like in the previous video, and we caused to grow over him a spreading plant of the gourd kind, and we sent him to 100,000 or more. And they believed, so we permitted them enjoyed their life for a while. So this is, I think, different from different surah, I guess. This, and then so it's interesting that this is necessary because it's probably like a hot area, and if he stayed on that place for a long time, and he can be injured. So that's why it is important. And in the Quran, Yunus is mentioned several times by name, so we can read it further. Is a prophet of God in Islam, corresponding to Jonah, son of Amittai in a Hebrew Bible. Jonah is the only one of the 12 minor prophets in the Hebrew Bible to be named in the Quran. The 10th chapter of the Quran, Yunus, is named after him. So this is indeed very interesting, and we should carefully see how it was mentioned in the Quran, and we should take lessons. So another lesson, and to show that God doesn't end any community without a prophet, and God can even punish the prophet, but doesn't punish, just we see that the punishment goes to the prophet, not the community first. So because he is the one almost dying as a sinner, as mentioned in the Quran. And this is my interpretation, and thanks for watching this video. You can also carefully check other translations of the Quran. So this I picked this one because I think it is it was mentioned in one part. And thanks for watching this video, and hope to see you in the next video.